Welcome to a new video in the series Face the Future with Fusion Electronics. In this video I will show you how to use a legacy CAM job. A legacy CAM job is a job that comes from an older Eagle version. Here you see my 2D PCB editor already open, and I go to the manufacturing menu, click here and choose the CAM processor icon. The CAM processor opens and you see Fusion Electronics recognizes the number of layers used in the layout and offers a template job. This time I do not want to use the template job, I want to use an old legacy job. First step is to delete the templates here. Go to Gerber, do a right click and say delete all. The same for drills. Right click, delete all, and the same for assembly. I do not want to have assembly as well. Delete all. So now no files are exported. Next step, go there and load a job file. Click, I now want to open a CAM file from my legacy Eagle version. I do not want to save the changes, so I say discard. Now, here I'm in the file browser, that's my Mac at the moment. I go into the applications folder and I would like to choose, let's say, from an old Eagle version, the layout2.cam. Double click and it's selected. Now you see the legacy section here offers two entries, component side, solder side. In this case, I export top pads via a dimension layer to an encapsulated postscript, which is part of my old legacy CAM job. You see, you can't change anything here, but you can use your old jobs. So, if I say process job, CAM processor would execute my sections here. Next step is to select where should my files go to. Into this folder, that's okay. And now I see, okay, this job contains a mix of legacy and new CAM outputs, and that's something, it could result in a misalignment. This means maybe the offset between the files of the new stuff and the old stuff might be different. Of course I want to proceed, that's not a problem. Now, yes, it tells me these files already exist. That's true because I tried this some minutes before. I also say yes, I want to replace them. And there is another message. It tells me that my output files do not contain files for layer 2 and 15. You know, the board is a 4-layer board. It has layer 1, 2, 15 and 16. I am just exporting data for 1 and 16. That's the message here. In this case, that's okay. I don't want to have more. Yes, and then the next message. You see, there can be some messages. Please read them and decide what to do. Of course, the positive coords option is not set. In this case, doesn't matter. That's okay. Continue anyway. Now the job is processed successfully. I can simply click OK and it's done, or I can look into the folder. So my file browser comes up and here I will see my files that are created. Okay? I have CMP and Solar. This is from a previous version I tried earlier this day. This is the way how we support legacy CAM jobs. I hope this helps. Stay tuned. Thank you for watching.